At just 17 years old, a teenager discovered something most people are ignoring. AI was not just a tool for fun, it was a business opportunity. And using AI, he built a way to make thousands of dollars online. While millions of people were using AI to create funny images or ask random questions, he started looking for a bigger opportunity. How could AI save businesses time and help them grow? He noticed that many small businesses had a problem. They wanted to post on social media, create ads, and attract customers, but they didn't have the time or skills to do it consistently. So instead of creating everything manually, he used AI tools to speed up the process. AI helped him generate content ideas, write scripts, create designs, and plan marketing strategies faster. But the important thing was this: he didn't sell AI, he sold the solution. Businesses don't care about the tool you use, they care about getting results. He started reaching out to businesses, showing them examples of how better content could improve their online presence. One opportunity turned into another, and slowly his small AI service started growing. The lesson is simple: AI is not replacing everyone. It's giving an advantage to people who know how to use it. The future winners won't just be people who have AI, they will be people who know what problems to solve with it. If you want to learn how people are using AI to build skills, businesses, and opportunities, subscribe because the AI revolution is just getting started.